alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, my dears, grade 6 in international schools. Our lesson today is about your project. How to make a cube and a cuboid from their net. Let's know the steps to make a cube from its net. And what is the meaning of the net of the cube? What is the net of a cube? A net is a 2D shape that folds into a 3D shape. Now this is the cube. A cube is a three-dimensional as you see. If we open up the cube and being flat, we will have 6 square faces. Okay. This is the first square. We have 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can call this the net of the square. Using this at the back, and that one at the front, and this is the base. Here we have 2 sides and the top of the cube. Let's fold this 2D shape to form a 3D shape with this cube. This is the base and the back. This is the front. And we have 2 sides. After that, the top of the cube. Side, another side. This is back and the front. The base and the top. Now when we folded this net, we have a cube. A cube can be formed from this net. We have 11 nets can form a cube. But let's know how to calculate the volume and the surface area of the cube and how to draw the net of the cube using our ruler and pencil and set square. Bring your ruler and use your pencil to draw, for example, a 20 centimeter. Because we want to divide those 20 centimeter into 4 parts to get squares, each square its side length is 4 centimeter. After we draw 20 centimeter, we will use the set square to draw 5 centimeter and another parallel side which is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Now draw another 20 centimeter to close the figure. We have 4 congruent squares. Each square, its side length is 5 centimeter. We want to draw another 2 squares to form the net of the cube. Use your ruler again and use the set square again to draw 5 centimeter and another 5 centimeter, then close with 5 centimeter. Now we have to draw the last square down of those 2 squares with the side length 5 centimeter. This is the net of the cube. The edge length of this cube is 5 centimeter. And the surface area of cube equals 6 times area of one face. The volume of a cube equals edge length times edge length times edge length. Let's take an example. The edge length of this cube is 5. So when we want to calculate the surface area of a cube, we have to get 5 squared, which is the surface area of one face, then multiply it by 6. 5 squared equals 25. 25 times 6 equals 150 centimeters squared. Pay attention for the unit of calculating the area. The side length, its unit is centimeter, but the area is centimeter squared. And then when we calculate the volume, which is edge length times edge length times edge length, equals 5 times 5 times 5, equals 125 centimeter cubed. Pay attention for the unit. Centimeter for the side length, centimeter squared for the area, and centimeter cubed for the volume. Now, those are the 11 distinct nets of a cube. You can form a cube using any one of those. Those are the nets. Use the simple one and use what you know to form your cube. So, what about the net of cuboid? A net is a diagram which shows that is the solid will look like when it is folded along its edges. This is the cuboid, and that is the net of the cuboid. If we folded it along its edge, we will form a cuboid. Let's learn how to draw the net of the cuboid. For example, if we have a cuboid, it's a 3-dimensional, it's 4, 3, and 2 centimeter. We want to use our ruler to draw 4 centimeter. Then use the set square to measure 3 centimeter and a parallel one 3 centimeter. So close your rectangle with 4 centimeter to have the base of this cuboid. After drawing the base, we need to draw the 4 sides. So, as you know that we want to draw now 2 centimeter to the right, another 2 to the left, 2 up and 2 down, using the width 3 centimeter. Now we draw 2 sides. Draw down 2 centimeter and another parallel 2 centimeter. Then close your figure using 4 centimeter. Now we finished drawing the 4 sides. It's time to draw the top of this cuboid. The top of this cuboid is like the base. So its width is 3 and its length is 4. Draw 3 centimeter parallel and then close the figure with 4 centimeter. Now you finish drawing the net of this cuboid. It's okay. Sides, base, and top. It's so easy. How can we calculate its surface area and its volume? As you know, the dimension of this cuboid are 4, 3, and 2. So the surface area of cuboid equals to multiply L times W plus L times H plus W times H to get the surface area 52 centimeters squared. Again and again, I'll say that the dimensions, its unit is centimeter, but the surface area is centimeter squared. Pay attention. What about the volume of cuboid? The volume of cuboid equals length times width times height. So we multiply 4 by 3 by 2 to get 24 centimeter cubed. This is the unit of measuring volume. And that is the end of our video today. We learned how to make a net of cube and how to make and draw the net of cuboid. See you in next video inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.